It started?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to another edition of Ray's Reviews. And today we are going to review the DJI Mavic Mini Bundle from Costco that I picked up recently. But I believe it was around $399, and it comes with a bundle with a couple of extra goodies. So we're going to check it out today. First thing to know about the DJI Mavic Mini Bundle is that for this drone, I live in the US, and because it's under 250 grams, it's actually 249 grams, then I don't actually need to register this unit with the FAA. But always check your local regulations before you make a purchase, just to make sure everything is okay. So with that said, let's give this thing an unboxing, and then we'll go test it out and check out everything about this unit. So this is what it looks like. Comes just like this, and now we're gonna open it up. The one cool thing that I found that I liked about this unit is that it gave up to, I believe, 30 minutes of flight time. So we'll see if that's actually true or not a little bit later on. But that's something that I'm really excited about, because most drones don't last that long. So I am going to open this up, first of all, and we'll show you guys exactly what is in the box. So, okay, comes like this. All right, so what is this? This looks like it is a flight battery. All right, let's take a look at what else is here. It looks like there's two other big boxes inside. So what do we have here? Okay, we got the Mavic Mini charging base over here. And over here, it looks like we have the actual unit, the Mavic Mini Everyday Fly Cam. So it looks just like this. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up this unit, and then I'll open up the charging base, and then we'll take a look at how everything looks like. So let's start by opening this unit. Let's give this a little bit of time. Sorry for my incompetence at opening things. All right. All right. Just like that. So sorry, I have to open it here as well. Okay. Wish I had a knife. All right, so over here it looks like this is the remote control. So I'm gonna open this up over here. Looks just like that. I'll play around with this later. It looks like these are the antennae, and we can open it up like this. And I think this thing will open up as well. So let me see how to open this up. Oh, it goes like this. So really, really cool. This looks like the remote control. Looks like that over here. And this is the actual drone. Looks like this, the Mavic Mini. So it does says, and look how small it is. That is so small. That is so small. It fits, my hands aren't very big, and it fits exactly in the palm of my hands. So that's just to show you the exact size of the unit. All right. It does say that we need to charge to activate the battery before first time use. So I will do that. I'm just gonna open this up. So this looks like where the battery goes. I'm just gonna close that. This looks like, I'm just gonna rip this off and put it onto the opening base. The other thing, just to make sure that you know, is that I don't believe this unit comes with a micro SD card. So if you don't have a micro SD card lying at home, make sure you pick one up as well. So I did manage to pick up one on the way. So this was a Lexar. Highly recommend this unit. It's a 128 gigabyte micro SD card that I picked up from Amazon for about $20. I'll leave a link below as well, but make sure you pick one up if you don't have one lying. So now we're going to open up the charging base just to take a look at that. We'll get this charged up and then we will go for a test fly just to see how this unit performs. So really excited to take a look at the performance. Let's just quickly open up the charging base to take a look at what we have here. Whoa. Okay. Instruction guide, I'm going to throw that down. This looks like there, and looks like we have the charging base here. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, wow, this looks like a nice little global shape charging pod. So it looks like, I'm just going to open up this over here, open it up, and it looks like you could just plug in the drone over there to get it charged. So really cool. I'm just gonna stop this for 1 second. I believe it also comes with, oh sorry, this is the thing. What is in here? I believe this is the USB cable. So I'm just gonna open up to double check what is inside here. Looks like it's a couple of items inside here. And indeed, it looks like there's a couple of items in here, the one I care the most about right now. These look like just some things that I'll attach to the drone a little bit later on. Here's the USB. So I'm gonna get it charged up, and right after that, let's go and give this thing a little bit of a test fly. So this thing looks just like a magnet, it's just like that. So I just pulled this out of the charging base unit, and then I'm gonna plug this into the DJI drone, and then this will make it a little bit easier to insert, hopefully, if I'm not incompetent, which it seems like I am lately. So there we are, we plugged it in, and let me just double check. Okay, so just like that, it will thing. I'm gonna put this back in. I think that's about it. And then I'm just gonna rip that away. And I believe all I need to do is charge it over here. So I'm just gonna get a charging spot, just like that. I'm gonna go charge this, plug this into a USB port, and we will be back after it's fully charged to go take this for a test flight. All right, while we're waiting for the DJI Mavic Mini to fully charge, I just want to explain to you guys a little bit about the remote controller, because this could be a little bit confusing, okay? So first thing is the actual remote control over here, okay? So notice that you'll have these little joysticks that are attached to the unit. So I'm just gonna pull them out right now and put them on. So you just see, I'm just going to detach it and take it out, and then it's really simple. You just go here and you twist it on just like that, okay? And I'm just going to go here and twist it on just like that, okay? So inside the box, it also comes with a couple of wires for you to be able to connect your phone, which you'll put over here into this actual unit. So it comes with, it looks like it comes with one for Android phones, and it also comes with one for Apple phones right there. And I'm not sure what this one really is, but
Huawei, I think.
Maybe this is like for sure. Like another type of phone, but I'm just gonna ignore that for now. All right, what else comes here? It looks like they also come with extra joysticks in case, I guess, we damage or anything happens to these joysticks. And it comes with these things, which I think they're just extra wings for the unit. Like, I'll pull them out just like that in case we ever need to use them. I'm not going to bother with that for now. And then it also looks like it comes with this looks like for screwdriver. So that's that. One very important thing to keep in mind is that this wire here, so I use an iPhone, right? So this wire here, I'm gonna plug it in here, and then this, I'll plug it into my iPhone a little bit later on once I download the DJI Fly app. But this remote controller also needs to be charged, okay? And This port over here, okay, is the exact same port where you're gonna use to charge the remote controller, okay? And this one, it should be able to feed into the micro USB using the same one as the DJI Mavic Mini. So I'm gonna go and plug in and charge the remote control now simultaneously while this is charging, so to save a little bit of time. But at first I was a little bit confused, but you still need to charge the remote controller as well. While you're waiting for the base to charge, don't forget to plug in and charge the remote controller as well, because this is something that also needs to be charged. So just plug it to the wall, and the remote will indicate that it's charging by these flashing lights right over here. You also want to make sure that you download the DJI Fly app and start following the step-by-step instructions to set it up and set up an account, because very soon we'll be able to connect to our aircraft using this app and start flying the unit. So while you're waiting for the base to charge, I believe it's going to take a couple of hours, make sure you go ahead and start downloading this DJI Fly app. All right, after everything is fully charged, we want to make sure that we also don't forget to put the micro SD card in. Once again, the micro SD card does not come with the unit, but we want to make sure that we put in this micro SD card so that we're able to capture footage. So after the micro SD card is firmly inside this unit, let me just make sure it's like that. Then we are ready to start flying this unit. So I'm really excited to test this out. So I'm just going to close this up here. The battery's all in place, and we are going to test this out.
The next day.
All right, it's the next day, and now I'm gonna go and take this drone for a test flight. So it took about 3 hours to charge the drone last night, and unfortunately it was already nighttime by the time it was fully charged. But now I'm gonna go out and let's go and test this drone. Hey guys, so I am here in beautiful Folsom, California, right by Folsom Lake, and we are going to test the drone momentarily. So really excited about this, and hopefully this will be a very enjoyable flying experience. So just stay tuned, and we're going to get everything set up and we're going to get going. So as you guys can see, we have the Mavic Mini all set up over here. Just put it on the ground, and we are connected to the Motif app, just like that. So it's just gonna slide in very nicely like that, and we are ready for our first test run. So let's take a look and see how things go.
Okay. Take off with caution. Oh shit, I forgot to.
Alright, and we have takeoff. So, going to fly it all the way to the lake, all the way down. Go fast. And let's see what type.
I need to record it. Can I turn how do you turn the video?
Oh, no, you have to turn to the video.
Okay.
So we're going to make sure the video function is on. Our drone is right over there. Beautiful Folsom, California, right by the lake. And there's nobody here except us, so let's go. There we are. And we're back. So Amy is just gonna tell us a little bit about her experience in flying this drone. So Amy, how did you feel like when you flew this drone?
It feels pretty cool. In the beginning, you get a little scared that you might lose your drone anytime.
a beginner, I guess I haven't mastered my flying like skills, so then I always fear, like, you know, if the drone is going to malfunction and it's going to drop in the water and I will never get it back, or the drone flies up too high because of wind, which happen actually. If you have strong wind, your drone is going to automatically go up higher without you telling it to. So, but I think the key to avoid the fear is to look at your screen instead of looking at the drone itself. So if you look at the screen and you look at the footage and you look at, oh, okay, my drone is still there and it's taking the footage that I wanted to take, I think it gives you a peace of mind. I guess over time, you know, you'll just get better with this fear, but it's actually pretty cool. I wanted to try out the return home function and it worked, but there was a warning that says that right now there is, you know, strong wind and then your drone is going to go higher than expected. You need to lower your drone immediately. So I got that noticed, and then I lowered my altitude immediately, and that worked as well. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I think it's a fun device. Go easy on the controls, because if you go too aggressively and push it all the way, it's just gonna turn really fast. I'm talking about these two things. So if you want slow and nice, comfortable footage, then, you know, just go easy on the controls.
All right, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this review of the DJI Mavic Mini. Okay, I'll leave a link to the description below on where you can purchase this. The cheapest way where you could buy this DJI Mavic drone is in Costco, but if not, I'll leave a link in the description below on Amazon on where you can get it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this review of the DJI Mavic Mini. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.